The judge sets the term for 6 months for the people who are selected to be on the grand jury. The grand jury will meet with the district attorney in private, and basically the district attorney will tell them, this is what we have from the police officer, this is what they say happened. And then 9 out of 12 of the grand jurors have to vote to say there was enough probable cause for the case to go forward and to be charged with a felony. Now that's probable cause only. In order to be guilty of a crime in the United States, it has to be beyond a reasonable doubt. So probable cause is way down here. Beyond a reasonable doubt is way up here. So just because you're indicted, just because you see someone's indicted means nothing and has no bearing on whether they're actually guilty. And the law actually says that. If you're indicted, then you'll start having court dates. If it's a misdemeanor and you're not indicted, you'll be charged with an information and you'll start having court dates. So either way, at some point in here, soon after your arrest, you need to decide, do I need an attorney? If you believe that you need an attorney, in all felony cases in Texas, you have to have an attorney. Now, if you can't afford an attorney, an appointed attorney will be given to you by the state. It's a court-appointed lawyer who works basically to help indigent people who don't have the money to afford go forward with their case. And you select that by letting the courts know, and they give you an attorney who's on what they call a wheel, which means they take turns taking these cases and they're paid by the government. If you want to select what we call a free ward lawyer, a lawyer out here that makes a living by actually doing the work, by actually representing people in these charges, who doesn't take money from the government, who works solely for themselves, then you have that option. And that's where you call me, call someone like me and say, hey, I've been charged with this crime. You call my office, I've been charged with this crime. Can I get a meeting with Mr. Crawford? The staff's going to ask you a few questions to decide whether I will even accept to take your case and talk to you. And it's necessary that you give them the information they're requesting, because it's what I look at in an email to decide whether I set you up.